show you all the baby. This is egg 1. It's born on the 19th. See the heartbeat? See? So we've got like 15 more days to go. 15 or so. But see the vein, that's a good egg. Let's see that. Good there. That's one I wrote on it. 1. That baby. Let's put it back. And pause. This is Aries, or Astraeus and Storms. And pause it. I'm not sure if you can see this is Storm and Raiden's baby. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it behind the little. I'm not sure what's on the egg. But I see it right there. My finger blocks it. Let me pause. Alright. I don't know if you can tell, but right up there. See that bead? This is egg number 1 for Storm and Raiden. And it was born on the 19th as well. Do you see the heartbeat? That is a fertile egg.